Welcome to the third of OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that we should click to connection and sharing, then tap here to NFC section, and just to activate NFC we should click here once on the switcher. If you want to turn it off, we should click here on the switcher once again. If you want to here switch the payment method, you should click here to tap and pay, and if you have just more applications you can switch it here. Also we have the second way how we can activate the NFC on your phone. Just to do that, we should first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that somewhere here you should find the NFC icon. Just to do that, click once here on this icon, and to turn it off you should click here on this icon once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.